Okay, so this should be the subscription. I actually called them. And it was like, you know, you know, where is it? And they were like, people were sick. So they they went ahead and sent another one because I don't know. But yeah, where is the? God, I don't know. This is gonna try to be a quick video because I have acute sinusitis, and yeah, it causes inflammation. By the way, and if I'm gonna be opening it with that beautiful one. uh, yeah, let me just tell you right now. I went to the hospital, and because I didn't know what the heck was wrong, so yeah. Please let this open. Wow, really? So yeah. Okay. This thing. This is in here. Oh, nice. Oh, nice. I'm happy about this one. Because I actually wanted this cord for a long time. Let me roll this out. If it will come out. Yeah. November 2023's first will be the Roundabout Gaff Fishing Kit. That's nice. Wait, let me get my thing here a second. That's nice. The next one I'm actually super happy about because I like how they're doing the things now. That's nice. Oh, that's nice. Huh. Anyway, that has a retail value of $14.95. Next is for $21.95, the Bob Hansler signature cord. I've actually been wanting this one. I have. What it has on it, it says the Bob Hansler signature cord was specifically designed with survival and wilderness expert Bob Hansler. This cord comes with a small sawback knife. This saw, hook, fishing hook sharpener. Ooh, oh nice. Fishing. I'm assuming right here is what that is. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's nice. Comes with two suturing needles, two sewing needles times two. Suturing needles are actually really helpful. I always carry some cords with me, so that's useful. I'm assuming that is where the hook thing is. Okay. Comes with small fishing lures, medium lure, large hook, 12 small hooks, and a fishing line wrap. This is really nice. This is really nice. Really, really nice. And this is actually a type of knife that this is actually my favorite knife because it has serrations and it's all. I like this type of stuff. So yeah, that is $21.95. It says this 22-in-1 survival cord equips you with a multitude of outdoor challenges. It's durable and lightweight construction makes it ideal additional to your everyday carry, camping gear, or emergency preparedness kit. Yeah, it does. Of course, my favorite business card. That's priceless to me. Wow. For $4.95, tip card number 5, Bojo Kit. I actually like how they're doing this, because it's literally a guide. It's literally a guide. That's nice. That's actually nice. I like that. I really like that. I'm a fan of that. And also for $4.95, tip card number 6, fire construction. So basically, to make a fire and all that. By the way, it's hot as crap in this vehicle. But yeah, yeah, I'm impressed with this month, definitely. Especially because the Bob Hansel card is actually one I've been wanting to get for a while now. You know, so honestly, I'm not mad at this. It's nice. It's really nice. Yeah. Of course, it comes with a peanut, a free peanut. Yeah. I gotta say, the customer service for Grim Workshop, top notch. Top notch. Seriously, top notch. Anyway, I'm about to turn this on, have some air, lock the door, and have a little bit of air and go to sleep, because, yeah. Anyway, it's been UIK's EDC, knife, and prepping on a budget. And this is prepping on a budget. It's only $20. So, yeah. Anyway, hope you enjoyed. I know I enjoyed. New hat, by the way. Anyway, peace.